In today's video, we are going to install these rear bumper LED reflector lights on a 2019 Honda Pilot. In this channel, I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Before we move on, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. They are made of nice ABS plastic material and also labeled left and right. They do match the OEM ones, which fit perfectly. Wiring is fairly simple. Your black is your negative. Your green is your ACC power source. Yellow is your turn signal. And red is your brake. They come like this. I did purchase separately a pin connector to make installation easier. I'll leave a link in the description below for those pin connectors. These are nice to give your Honda a unique upgraded look with increased safety. These are the pin connectors that I attached to the ends of the wires. They have nice long extended wires for easy installation. So here is the rear bumper reflector, and this is what we're gonna replace it with. There are 3 screws that you want to remove. See if I can show you. One right here, one down here, and one up there. Once you got the 3 screws out, just go ahead and pull back. Now it's free. Next, you want to remove these 2 screws. And then you want to pull out. And then you want to unplug these 2. Now you want to fish this wire up through here. In order to do so, you take another piece of wire, string it down, and then tape it. And then pull this wire out. Okay, now that we got the wire through, you gotta remember this is your brake light and this is your turn signal. Since I connected these push pins, I'm gonna push it from the back of each harness. So using these pins to push behind the wire harness didn't give me good connection, so we're gonna try a different method. First, I'm gonna go ahead and splice this out, and we're gonna use these posi taps. Let's see if these work better. I'm going to leave a product link of these posi taps in the description below. So how these work, you want to make sure you get the right size gauge. Posi tap connectors, 20 to 22 gauge wire. You want to unscrew it. This will go onto your wire. And you see how there's a pin right there? That's going to pierce through the center of your wire to make that contact point. There's that first connection. Then you're gonna grab your connecting wire. I'm gonna take these out, but I did this already. Unscrew that. All right, I think that's they all have good connection. These are good for low voltage situations. Now let's put the tail light back on. Right now we're gonna go ahead and give it a test shot. This is how it is when I hit the unlock button and the lock. This is how it is when you turn on the signal lights. It has a sequential feature for turn signals. Now we're going to go ahead and press on the brake. And then release the brake. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the parking lights. When we turn on the parking lights, it does have a scan feature. Now with the parking lights on, we're going to go ahead and press on the brake and you'll see it shine at 100%. That's 100% brightness with the brakes on.
Haven't done so already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.